Hello everyone. This is what an EMI of 60,000 rupees on a credit card with an annual interest rate of about 16% looks like. Apart from the installments, we have a processing fee ranging from 100 to 300 rupees plus 18% GST. And also, some merchants may pass on the MDR charges to the end customer, which certainly goes up to 2.1%. Now take a look at this 30,000 rupees EMI, but this time on a debit card. Yes, EMI is also available on debit cards. In this example, interest remains the same and the processing fee is less due to the lower transaction amount. But check the MDR percentage. It maxed out at 0.9% as per RBI guidelines. So, what are the other differences? Let me put them into the spreadsheet for comparison. If you look closely, in the case of credit cards, there is a separate column for IGST, which is additional 18% on the interest you are paying. The logic may go like this. Your purchase amount, cost price, or transaction amount, whatever you would like to call it, is now 60,000 plus 2,830 rupees, and the MRP doesn't include the GST on this additional 2,830 rupees. This is also applicable to no-cost EMI transactions. So just making the EMI on a debit card instead can save you some money. But it is just the beginning. As per RBI, the MDR charge is something that cannot be passed on to the end customer. So, if a merchant asks you to pay it, try to negotiate or report them to the RBI Ombudsman. Cashback rewards and interest refunds are the prime reason for the popularity of these EMI. So, do check if the cashback is flat or a percentage of the transaction amount. For example, here it is 5% up to 3,000 rupees and credited after 90 days of the transaction. Similarly, interest refund is also calculated as the percentage of transaction amount depending upon the tenure, since longer tenure means higher interest. It is very important to verify this, as some of the offers refund the interest partially. As you can see here, for ICICI debit card, it is 2.68% for 3 months tenure, and 3.72% for 6 months tenure. But how to know this before the transaction? Enter free EMI calculator. Play with them before making the swipe. Look at this example where I checked the monthly installment for 60,000 rupees EMI. But here is the thing, EMI benefits claimed by retailers don't always come to fruition. Lies and deceit are part and parcel of EMI. So, it is okay to say no to them. And if the offer is too enticing, always remember the precautions and you should be good to go. Also, try using a Rupee credit card, as it can save you from the MDR hassle, and on top of it, you can negotiate for an additional 1 to 2% discount which they have saved on the MDR. You can also give a try to cashback credit cards, which provide instant cashback points of around 1%. My recommendation would be an Amazon Pay ICICI credit card, as it has no joining fee, no spending requirements to escape annual charges, and also, the points are credited in the form of Amazon Pay balance at the end of the billing cycle. In other cards, minimum points for redemption, that too after a bank request, is required to use your points. And no, I am not associated with them in any form or way, nor have I been paid to say this. Everything that is conveyed here is my sincere opinion. And if you learned something valuable today, feel free to hit the like button and check out my other videos. I will see you in the next one.